Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of these onesies that I just got in the mail for my baby. These are 24 months. I just wanted to make this quick video just to talk about how great these are. This right here is the only brand of onesies that I use on my baby. My baby is going to be 2 years old really soon. And yeah, we've had so many of these. So I just got these because she is getting too big for the ones that she has right now. And so I had to get new ones. And I mainly use these onesies underneath her PJs or underneath other clothes. I just like how they feel. Let me show you the material. It's very, very soft. It's very stretchy, so you're gonna be able to use these for a while. The last ones that she had was 12 months. They were the size of 12-month-old, and right now she's gonna be 2 really soon, and they still fit her. It's a little snug, you know. I can notice that it's getting too tight, so that's why I got the 24 months for her, and I know these are gonna last until she's 3 for sure. But yeah, the material is very soft, very stretchy. It's not, let me show you, it's not super thick, which is a plus, because usually, especially for bigger babies, you use these underneath other clothes. Like I said, I like putting these when she's wearing PJs or jackets, just to give her an extra layer. So these are perfect. I love them. I love the Gerber brand, and yeah, anybody that has babies needs to have these onesies around.